Septic tank pumping is essential for homeowners to ensure the proper functioning of their septic systems. Regular maintenance prevents costly repairs and health hazards associated with septic failures. Local septic tank pumping services offer specialized knowledge about the specific needs and regulations in your area, ensuring efficient and compliant service. Supporting these services not only guarantees the health of your system but also maintains community infrastructure. By choosing local, homeowners can establish trust with service providers who are invested in the community and understand its unique challenges. Choosing local septic tank pumping services offers numerous advantages for homeowners. One of the key benefits is personalized customer service. Local providers tend to build relationships with their clients, allowing for tailored advice and solutions. Moreover, these professionals possess in-depth knowledge of local regulations and environmental conditions that can impact septic system maintenance. This expertise ensures compliance with local laws and enables them to address specific local challenges effectively. By prioritizing local services, homeowners can enjoy not just superior service, but also peace of mind knowing their needs are understood and addressed by someone in their community. Supporting local septic tank pumping services plays a crucial role in bolstering the local economy. When homeowners hire these local providers, the money spent circulates within the community, ultimately benefiting other local businesses and services. This economic activity helps create and sustain jobs, ensuring that residents have employment opportunities within their own towns. Additionally, local businesses are more likely to reinvest their profits back into the community, further enhancing economic stability. By choosing local services, homeowners not only fulfill their septic needs but also contribute to the overall health and vibrancy of their community's economy. Local septic tank pumping services typically adopt more eco-friendly practices compared to larger, corporate firms. These businesses often prioritize sustainable waste management techniques, ensuring that waste is disposed of responsibly and in accordance with local environmental regulations. By using local providers, homeowners benefit from their commitment to minimizing the environmental impact of septic services. Moreover, local companies are more likely to implement practices that promote recycling and proper waste treatment, contributing to healthier ecosystems. Supporting local services not only addresses septic needs but also fosters a cleaner, more sustainable environment for the entire community. In conclusion, choosing local septic tank pumping services is a vital step toward fostering a robust and healthy community. By prioritizing these local providers, homeowners not only secure essential maintenance for their septic systems but also contribute to the local economy, job creation, and environmental sustainability. Supporting local businesses helps create stronger connections within the community, enhancing overall well-being. We encourage viewers to take action and consciously select local services, reinforcing the impact they have on their neighborhood. Together, we can build a better, more resilient future for our communities by making mindful choices today.